This is Robert with Studio 5 Drone Productions, and today we are going to discuss proper drone battery usage. Charging and storing drone batteries made super easy. First up, charging. Use the charger that came with your drone. Plug it in, connect the battery, and watch the lights. Red means charging. Green means ready to fly. Easy peasy, right? Now, let's talk about discharging. Flying your drone until the battery's at 20% is perfect. Don't drain it completely. Batteries need a little juice left to stay healthy. Storing? Simple. Keep your batteries in a cool, dry place. Not the fridge, just somewhere cozy. And remember, half charge is just right for long-term storage. Got it? Charge, discharge, store. Easy as 1, 2, 3. If you love this vid, like, follow, and ring the bell. Fly safe and happy droning.